equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a replacement cable, and a cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson HD01. Next, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the panel is off, inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean machine works better. Now, locate the old cable. Carefully disconnect it from the motor. Take your new cable and connect it in the same way. Ensure it's secure. Before closing the panel, do a quick visual check. Look for any loose parts or signs of wear. Once satisfied, replace the back panel and screw it in place. Remember, if you need help, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel needed. Finally, if you're unsure about the repair, get a quote before repair. Your Dyson will be back in action in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.